Governor Pontius, Governor Pilate, my lady, Honorable Council, I am here on urgent business as Joseph Arimathea of the Honorable Council concerning the body of Jesus Christ, the same one who was crucified yesterday.
Do you mean you want the body of the dead man? What business have you got to do with this body?
You
Please, allow me. You, an honorable member of this council, wants the body of the dead man that blasphemed against our God? You, the man that said he will build or rebuild the temple in 3 days, and you want his body? You are shameful to this council.
Governor, my lady, Council, despite our differences, it should not mean that we would allow this man's body die on the cross or on the street unburied. We should afford him his proper burial rights.
His proper burial?
This man is innocent.
What? This man is innocent. You're saying what? The decision that the Pontius Pilate made was incorrect? This man, so-called Jesus the Messiah, he healed the people. He supposed to raise the people from the dead, but he could not deliver himself. He was using the power of the devil. He is not the Messiah. And for you taking his body, you are going against the law. Shame on you.
Forgive me. I apologize for the behavior of the council. What else can I want than to associate myself with Jesus Christ? He is the source of my joy. He's the reason I live. I count it joy if I were to die knowing that I will be reunited with him in eternity.
Yes. Why do you insist on burying the body of this Christ?
My Pilate, please. Allow me to speak to his senses, please.
My senses are intact.
Joseph, I have known you for years. You are a man of honor, a man of integrity. But what you do today is blaspheming. This Jesus tried to destroy the heritage of our fathers, Abraham, Jacob, and Isaac. He blasphemed against us, the Pharisees, the owners of the law. Joseph, you are influential. You have properties. Think about your family. Do not exchange your life for this loser. For if you take over his body, you will be removed from the council. No one will want to deal with you. We will shun you. We do not want that. Think. Think. Let the disciples bury their dead.
What shall it be if I gain the whole world? All of these titles, the accolade, the houses, the donkeys, and then lose my very soul. No. I count it all loss if compared to being with my Father. My governor, I insist I will bear all consequences. I insist.
Joseph!
Please, let me bury the body of Christ.
Joseph.
Your request is granted.
My pallet isn't
Here is a seal.
Thank you.
If anyone questioned you,
Thank you.
counsel dismissed.
Thank you. Thank you, Honor. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You will be shorn. You will lose all that you have ever lived for going with this Jesus. I promise you.
I take all consequences.
We see.
And so Joseph of Arimathea took the body of Jesus and put it in the tomb. The guards surrounded, but it didn't matter because an angel came down from heaven and rolled the tomb away. Indeed, we exclaim that Jesus has risen. We call him Jehovah Rapha, the one who defies the laws of science, that in death we have received life. We call you Emmanuel, for you are with us. El-Rohi, because you see me. We call you Yaresuri, we rest on you, the rock that never fails. We consider him punished by God when he was hung on that cross. But Jesus became the sacrificial lamb that we may remember the resurrection as the day that death died. Indeed, Jesus has risen.
I am the resurrection and the life. Whoever believes in me shall live